Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the built-in keyboard on your laptop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the keyboard selection and then right click on your keyboard device and select properties. Select the driver tab, and then if assuming you have multiple keyboards on your computer, there should be an option then to disable the device, in which case you would go ahead and select that option. Alternatively, you can also select uninstall device, and then you would select OK to save the change. You should restart your computer once you're done. So there you go, guys. Hopefully it was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.